Happy holidays and welcome to Milspec Eyes. Today we're gonna make a paracord elf, a cute friend who's going to hold your pegs at your camping site. They will make your pegs easy to pull and also easy to find. This will help us not to forget and leave your pegs at the site. And also, it's very useful when you want to hang your pegs to dry. So first, cut your paracord into about 24 inches and make 3 snake knots. First, wrap around your thumb with the left cord and make a ring. And next, pull the right cord from under your right hand and stick that into the ring. And of course, tie it up. So, this is the way how you do snake knot. And now, we are going to make 2 more of that. So, let's move on to the second one. Support and pull the left string around your finger and make a ring. Pull the right string and put it into the ring. So, this is the final set. Make a ring, pull, and stick it into the ring. Now, let's make the heart and hands. Make a single knot in the middle of the string. Let's start making the body. Loose up the first knot to make a space for the heart. Stick in the arm. Also the opposite side too. And put the shoulders up. And see the balance.
ギャンカワやで。
ギャンカワかい。
ギャンカワ。もう赤ちゃん。
Tie a knot to make hands and feet and cut off the extra cords. The length of the body part is all up to you. So let's start melting the end. You see, I'm pressing down the melted part to a can, but Jumbo, he's pressing it with his bare hand. Well, how you do it, it's all up to you, but don't get burned. Now, let's set the head. Pick up your favorite bead and make it a head. It was quite simple, right? So now, it's time to wrap up. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタンをお願いいたします。To support our channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.